Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in Zoom account. To get started, open your web browser and search for Zoom. When the results appear, make sure you're selecting the official Zoom website. This is an important first step because using the official site helps protect your account and ensures you're signing in through the correct page. Take a quick moment to check the website address before moving on. If the Zoom homepage loads properly, you're ready for the next part. Once you're on the Zoom website, look to the upper right area of the screen. You should see the Sign In option there. Click on Sign In to open the login page. If you're using a smaller screen, such as a tablet or phone, the layout may look a little different, but the Sign In option should still be easy to find near the top of the page. On the login screen, enter your account information in the appropriate fields. This usually means typing in your email address and password associated with your Zoom account. Be sure to enter your information carefully to avoid login errors. If you prefer not to type your details manually, you can also choose the Google Sign-In option by clicking the Google icon below. This can be a faster and more convenient method if your Zoom account is connected to your Google account. Just select the option that matches how you normally access Zoom. After that, continue by following the instructions shown on your screen. What happens next may vary depending on the sign-in method you chose. For example, if you entered your account details manually, you may simply continue into your account. If you selected Google Sign-In, you may be asked to choose the correct account and confirm access. In some cases, you might also need to complete a verification step before proceeding. Just follow each prompt as it appears until the login process is complete. If everything is entered correctly, you should be signed into your Zoom account and ready to use its features. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're using the correct login method and that your account information is entered accurately. That's all it takes to log into Zoom. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide helped make the process simple and clear.